If you like my content, please like and click on the subscribe button. Click on the drop down and select All to see regular updates.
Have you ever wondered how to change the ordering of the columns present in a table? So initially I have this table where I have multiple columns: country, discount, band, month name, product, segment, and sum of sales. So here, when you publish this table, the users can never change the ordering of this column because the schema and the order of the column is already uh, set before. But now I'll make sure is now I'll change the ordering of the column based on this filter. So say some customer says I want to see the month name first and then rest of them at the next. So what I'll do first, I'll select month name. So month name will come, then country, discount band, product and segment. So whatever values I have selected in the required order, those columns will come in the required order as I want. So you know how to achieve this in Power BI? If not, make sure you watch the video till the end. If you're watching my videos for the first time, make sure you click on the subscribe button. So in order to achieve the task, first I'll open a blank Power BI report and I'll use the sample data option. So if you click on the sample data, you can click on this load sample data. So you'll already have a Power file which is called financial sample. So this is automatically given by Power BI. You need not download the sample Excel files from internet and play with it. So you can use the sample data option and click on financials. So this is the data which we are talking about. So you click on load. So once you click on load, data will start loading here. So if you see these financials, 700 rows are loaded. So as shown earlier, I'll create a table first. So in this table, I'll use the country, discount band, month number, month name, product, segment, and simply sum of sales. Okay. So this is a simple table you can create in Power BI without any help. This is very pretty straightforward. So now the task here is you need to change the order of this column based on the users. You should give the capability to users to change the order of these columns. So how can the users change the order of these columns? So generally can change the order of these columns only in this visualization pane. So if you can change this, you can move the country here and there, month name here and there, and then the order will change. But every time users might not have the edit access of the Power BI and they cannot do this every time. So what Power BI has introduced is something called field parameters. So how do you use field parameters? You go to this modeling tab, click on modeling. You see parameters. In this, you click on new parameter and you click on fields. So in this, you'll have some values to enter. So what will your variable adjust? So here I'll select fields and what is the name of the table. So here I'll keep financials FP. So something I'll name it. And here you have this option to add and reorder fields. Okay. So from this table, so here you have discount band. Okay. So first the country, you can select this. Here it will come discount band, then the month name, then the product, and then the segment. Okay. So this is the order of the columns. So this will be the default order of the columns. So if by default, if the table is loaded, this will be the default order. Okay. If you want to add the slicer in page to this page, you click on this option and you click on create. So now what is happening? A slicer will be created, and if you see, a calculator table will be created here with the name financials FP. So this is the calculated table DAX. So you have something called name of. This is a DAX function which is particular to Power BI. You cannot use this DAX function in SSS tabular model and other places. So this is working only in tabular model. Sorry, in Power BI. So if you see here, you have some values 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So basically, this is the order at which the columns will be arranged in a table. So first country, then the discount band, then month name, then product, then segment. So this is the order, right? So if you see, this is the columns. Okay, so now let's keep this financials to the left and this table to the right. Okay, so now if you select anything, this will not work because we do not have any relationships between this financials and the financials FP table, right? So this will not work in any way. So in order to change the ordering of this in this particular table, so what you need to do is in this table remove all the columns, keep only the measure column, okay, and then use this financials FP. Simply drag this column. So once you drag this column, this all these columns will come. This is in the order. So as I discussed right earlier. So first country, then discount band, then month name, then product, then segment, right? So that is how here it is ordered, right? So now say I want to if you say if you want to change the ordering. So now let's keep this as 2 and let's keep this as 1. Okay. So now you see now if you change this, then month name will come here. Okay, month name will be changed. So this is the basic ordering. Okay, this is the default ordering, right? So now what you need to do is I want to, so now you can publish this report and so users can now select required columns. Say user wants to see say the month name at the first. So user will first select the month name column. So only month name will come. Say after month name he wants to see product. So you click on product as well. So some users are satisfied only with two columns, and some users are want more columns, right? So they can select any column they want. Okay. So first month name, then product, then discount band, then country, then segment. Users can play with this table as they wish. Once it is published, also users can play with this table as they wish. So and then change the column ordering. Say some users are there instead of creating multiple charts, right? Say you might see some uh, you might see some visuals, right? Say say a pie chart. Okay, so in pie chart, take this sales or sum of sales as values, right? Now here, okay, instead of pie chart, I think we let's take a bar chart. Okay, um, yeah, this clustered column charts or something, whatever. So now I'll drag country as x-axis and then discount band as y-axis. Okay, I mean discount band as y-axis or whatever. Okay, multiple x-axis you can select. Okay, so this okay, this is also not a good example. Um, let's take a chart where you can have multiple. Okay, take this line. Okay, this is also not a good example, I think. Um, okay, so here if you see this line, um, if you see it is Canada for every for Canada for four discount bands you are getting some of sales at Canada high, low, medium, and none, whatever. And then say again if you click on product, it will give you more detailed lines, right? So now okay, so now say users are not interested to see everything, right? Say okay, let's remove this as well. Okay, so let's remove this as well. Say now I'll go with the pie chart, initial pie chart which I discussed. So now let's use the sum of sales. In one chart I'll keep country. Okay, so you'll see country is the sales getting divided by country, and in another pie chart I'll keep say some of the sales again. I'll keep product. Okay, so another table I'll keep product. Again it is dividing by product. So now what I can do is simply instead of maintaining two different charts, um, I'll keep only a single pie chart. Okay, single pie chart, and here instead of this product I'll drag this simple column financials FE. Okay, it is dividing by a lot of things. So but here I'll say I want only it at country level. So first I'll set only country. So if you select country here, this particular chart will show the same data as this. But say now user wants instead of country I want product. So user can simply select product, and this particular chart will be same as this. So the motivation here is to reduce the number of visuals as well. Okay, so since if the same measure is being referred by multiple columns in multiple charts, you can reduce the number of visuals by keeping a single visual and using this particular field parameters concept. So you can either use single value, single column, or you can change the ordering of the columns as you wish. Okay, so now here product is there, again segment I want. So product and segment in table, in a single table can be seen. Okay, so once you can fix the if you can fix the measure, and if you have selected columns, and if you want to give user the capability to play with the columns, this is the best option. So hope you all understood the concept, and if you have any queries or any questions, you can ask in the comment section. I'll be happy to help. So if you like this video, please click on the like button so that people who are interested to learn Power BI or more tips and tricks in Power BI, this video will be shared to them, and this can be helpful for them. If you're watching our videos for the first time, make sure you click on subscribe button. Thank you. Have a nice day.